How to make hard-boiled eggs. First, you want to use eggs that are 5 to 7 days old. So it's best if you can purchase them at least a week in advance at the grocery store and let them sit. Older eggs are easier to peel than fresh eggs. You're going to take your eggs, place them in your pan, 1 layer deep. Then you're going to fill your pan until the water is 1 inch above your eggs. To measure, it's 1 inch from the tip of your finger to your first knuckle. And to see if you have enough, just stick your finger in, and if it comes up to your knuckle, then you know you have enough water. You want to make sure that the water that you put in your pan is cold water. Adding about a teaspoon of salt helps keep the eggs from cracking and helps them to peel easier. Then you're going to turn on your heat to medium-high, bring your eggs to a boil, and then cook for 10 to 11 minutes. If you are at high altitude, you'll want to add an additional 2 to 3 minutes boiling time to your eggs. This recipe is on page 50 in our Dining on a Dime Cookbook Volume 2. You can find it at livingonadime.com. The link is in the description below. When you're done boiling, you're going to take them off the heat, drain off the boiling water, and put in cool water. And if you'd like, you can add a few ice cubes to help cool the water down quicker. You want to completely cool the eggs before peeling. Then you're going to empty out your water. Used to identify hard-boiled eggs in the fridge is we just take a Sharpie and just put a mark on them, and then we know those are hard-boiled. And there you have perfectly hard-boiled eggs.